A little hairy? I got you. Go from peach fuzz to smooth in a matter of minutes. For a better makeup application, start dermaplaning with Michael Todd Beauty. I didn't know this existed until now. This Sonic Smooth device exfoliates your skin too. Comes with 8 blades, non-slip handle, stainless steel safety tip. The design is ergonomic. So to attach a new safety tip, slide the handle along the tracks until it clicks into place. USB charging cable also has 3 speeds. And this charging dock allows you to place your Sonic Smooth device in a safe place for storage. Packaging includes their branding and quick start guide. Very easy to follow. I'm using Spa Science's Dermaplaning oil before I begin. It provides a smooth glide without a razor burn. Warm the product in your hands and apply to soften your hairs. It feels non-greasy. Ingredients are orange peel oil and squalene. And of course, you choose your mode, and I recommend to hold your skin taut with a 45-degree angle for better experience. Always downward motion. Yuck. Did you see that? Shape brows too. Rejuvenation unlocked. Are you thinking of doing this?